Yeah, I'm in for the time on the real spread to the last sound. They roam the church with a smile on their deceitful face. Everyone seems to trust these people, they own this place. They say all the right things, a solution to every situation. Deep inside they harbor an evil desire to destroy your foundation. Beware the howler of the moon, nothing but wolves in sheep's clothing. Beware the howler of the moon, beneath the facade their teeth are showing. Beware the howler of the moon, if you listen carefully you'll hear the growling. You can tell who they are by their fruits of the Holy Spirit. See what lays behind the eyes, they can turn at any minute. Know your God, know your Jesus, never trust the spirit of man. Deceitful is the heart of man, only in the Lord can you stand. Beware the howler of the moon, nothing but wolves in sheep's clothing. Beware the howler of the moon, beneath the facade their teeth are showing. Beware the howler of the moon, if you listen carefully you'll hear the growling. Beware the howler of the moon, nothing but wolves in sheep's clothing.